Hi, my name is Eden. I'm a junior at Yale majoring in economics, and welcome to my New Haven apartment. I think the style of my room, I like to start with the natural sort of wooden floors. I got a wooden bed frame and some shelves, and then I like to build upon that with my own personal mementos, like little trinkets that I collect, or pictures, adding pops of color. I feel like it creates a really exciting but still calming atmosphere in my room, and having lots of natural light as well is the best part about it for me. I'm drawn to pink, but not in a garish way. I like baby pink, and I have lots of little pink things in my room, and then also blue and green. I feel like that neutralizes it really nicely. So I used to put a bunch of pictures of my friends on my wall, and when I came to this room I knew I wanted something a little bit more elevated, and so I started to put things that I collected just from, you know, moving through life. So these are all postcards that my mom has sent me from London, and I also collected postcards from restaurants, receipts from brands. This was a local film festival at Yale. I have pictures of my family, and I also collect Vogues, and so whenever I'm looking through and I find something inspirational, I'll cut it out and put it up. And yeah, it's just a very eclectic mix, but everything sort of has a meaning to me, which I really love. I think especially when going to university, not, you know, in my hometown or even in the same country, I like it because it helps me to feel connected to my friends and family, and also for this space to just feel a little bit more like mine. I love Brooklinen sheets because they're so comfortable. Whenever I'm cold, they sort of like warm me up, and then when I'm too hot, they feel really cooling, which sounds ridiculous, but they're like perfect for any weather and so comfortable.